Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Format Painter multiple times in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to use Format Painter multiple times. Firstly, select this "Why do you use it" text, then go to the home menu, then double click on the Format Painter option, then apply another text. Then click the Format Painter. Now we can see we apply the Format Painter multiple times very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.